I talk on occasion about Menards food, and I'm here today looking at bathroom stuff, so I thought I'd take you guys around. I'm getting vanilla, but I'm going to just show you some of our favorite things at Menards grocery section. Menards is a home improvement store, and I would think like bachelor paradise. I know if my husband was single, he would do all of his grocery shopping here. Let's see some fun things. They literally have so many snack foods, which is the fun. You can get everything from just the garlic and rye chips, yummy, to, you know, different trail mixes, lots of yummy things. Probably gonna get some of this actually. They always have lots of seasonal candies that are coming up in Christmas time. Look at all this stuff. And the prices are really reasonable. But you get lots of different fun. A candy set that you can add to charcuterie boards, like that's perfect. It's $11.99. So some of the stuff isn't necessarily cheap, but they have lots of fun things. Cinnamon Imperials, I love those. And just look, like how cute is this for a stocking? So we love coming here for Easter baskets, stockings, lots of fun things. So that's just one of the many types of things. They have all of these bulk candies, and seems like very 1990s to me, this candy section. So 99-cent bags. Santa, please remember this. I'll take the chocolate peanuts or the chocolate raisins, or better yet, both. But this is really what I wanted to share with you guys, the Watkins section. This is amazing. And this is where I buy a lot of things. So they have all of these extracts. There are so many flavors. I'm gonna do a slow pan so you can just see. This is what I'm getting right now. $13.25, I think it's normally $15. Sorry, it's loud. Remember, we're at a home improvement store. But they have so many flavors. Beautiful sprinkles. I'm always impressed with the selection they have here. You never really know for sure if it's gonna be here or not. Ooh, I like that. A shaker. Look at that black pepper. Yes. Popcorn seasoning, white cheddar, butter, salt, ranch, vanilla powder. Yum. Smoked maple rub. Yeah, I would love that. Lots of different seasonings, different multi-purpose ones. The selection really, you just can't beat it. Ooh, Zada. That surprises me. I'm gonna get that too. But they have lots of different ones. Even garam masala. So this is just the seasoning side, and it's like a random, it's across from all the candies. But then they have different tacos, pot roast, gravy mixes, dips. Ooh, this one sounds good to me. Garlic and dill dip. I might have to get that for myself too. Okay guys, look, I came here to show you vanilla, and I already am 3 things in. But there's so many different seasonings, and we've been really big fans of Watkins. This side I haven't done as much with, the cleaning products, but they're here. Soap refills, soap pumps, and then the value. Oh my gosh, I really want to buy that. I don't have a need for it though. These are the giant. Ooh. I think I'm gonna get this too for onion gravy. Since I have a vegetarian, she does not like obviously the meat gravies. Let me see if it's dehydrated onion, brown sugar, salt, soy protein, palm oil, onion, caramelized sugar, yeast, beef fat. Never mind, it's not vegetarian. She wouldn't know, but as her mom, I won't do that to her. Let's see, brown gravy. Probably brown gravy and beef fat. Okay, they actually probably other gravy mixes. I wish I wouldn't have read the back. I would have still been buying it. But look, all the bulk seasonings, Really good prices. I mean, I know $30 for nutmeg sounds like a lot, but it's obviously a better value than every time you need it buying it if you go through it frequently. If you are a beef jerky lover, they have every variety known to man here. So they have another one of these. Every single thing you could think of. Pretty good values too, so. Let's see, wild heat beef stick, $1.99. My husband might want some of these for a road trip, but it's just nice to, you know, if you've never been to a Menards because you think it's home improvement only, it's just nice to know this exists. Okay, like this looks so good to me. Korean barbecue tender beef steak strips. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this for a road trip for myself. The black pepper sounds good too. I'm gonna get this one. There's this giant bulk candy aisle. This one doesn't really change much with the seasons. They might just have different things available, but you can see there's not much seasonal here. It's pretty much always here. And they even have like the 90% cocoa. You can get lots of good candy here. Okay, so you can see they have some specialty items here at the end. I thought these looked good. Boom Chicka Pop, white chocolate peppermint kettle corn. But what about this one? Boom Chicka Pop, Swiss Miss, hot cocoa marshmallow kettle corn. Do I need to buy this? I think the answer is yes. It's $4.49. But I think my daughter would really like that. I have every Gatorade, LaCroix, even the giant Gatorade. This is where I got my colonoscopy Gatorade, you know, if you're wondering. Different drinks. And then they have even more beef jerky. This is all the Jack Link's brand. You know, if you ever have a hankering for pickled eggs, hot pickled eggs, or bologna sausage, Polish sausage, lots of options. Peanuts, lots of nuts. There's just, it's a very fun food area is what I'm getting at. I've never seen these before, but all these pickled vegetables are only $2.99. So I'm gonna get a couple. I think I'm gonna get this traditional Greek salad that looks really good to me. Yep, doing it. We're in the coffee aisle. Like, look at all of these. They're not name brand. I don't know who Marcella is or Victor Allen, but they have lots of coffees here. Lots of flavors, flavorings, syrups, Starbucks stuff, lots of everything. Baking aisle. I mean, yeah, are you looking for flake coconut? It's here. What? I want hot dilly beans or hot pickled asparagus. I don't know. That looks good until I see the little things on there. Bottom line, you don't really know what's going to be here, but there's a lot of it. Hot spicy carrot sticks. What? Brussels sprouts? That's the only one that sounds super gross to me. I think I'm going to go with the spicy carrot sticks. Like, they'd be really good on a down day. I can eat 120 calories for this whole jar if I wanted. Okay guys, I want to remind you, I came to get vanilla and to show you just vanilla, and I ended up with a cart, so thanks. And of course my son finds and notices this, so I have to point it out. Just lots of different, you know, ice creams and offerings.
Popsicle.
Lots of pizzas. End caps always change. So much offerings here. They also have this awesome popcorn area. Obviously popcorn, this is usually where we buy our kernels. But then, like, every single Every single kernel seasonings that you could think of is here. And I think we're gonna get this to try a butter flavor spritzer, $3.48. Guys, so vanilla turned into this, guys. I don't know how it happened, but you know I like to grocery shop, so it's not surprising. $2.50.
I might get it.
Cal's begging me for this.
No, I said I might get it.
They have a regular chip aisle, mainly name brand stuff. Also, I can't leave this area without showing you guys. This is where we get nacho cheese sauce. We don't often have this, but when we buy it, La Victoria comes in clutch. It's $12.99. We get many dinners out of it. But if we're especially hosting something, this is where we go. They also have small cheese sauce here, lots of dips, salsas, and tortilla chips. Okay, here's more of the holiday items. So many different specialty things. I am very drawn to that. Let's just say tempted, but I'm walking away. No, I'm not walking away. I'm actually gonna get it because that sounds so good to me. We are going to get these Heath milk chocolate English toffee bar miniatures for my daughter after her surgery. We just always make a little gift box for her, and this will be in there. $3.68. Okay, my husband pointed this out. This is literally the last thing. Mark my words. $3.68 mystery shaped holiday shapes for Reese's. Guys, I'm officially walking away and stop. I'm not going to show you anymore because my cart keeps getting bigger and I need to stop. So let's go check out and see what my damage is. And you get to see all the holiday decor while grocery shopping. Well, that was some pretty expensive vanilla, coming in at $55.47 for the haul, but it was a lot of fun to take you guys through the aisles and find lots of goodies. Definitely a fun place to shop, and I never know what I'm going to find. Their selection changes all the time, but it's pretty fun, and the spices are always there. Let me know if you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.